digital whiteboards.
Our imagination comes alive with a place to play. And the whiteboard is a space to bring our ideas to life.
Eisenberg Group.
What if we could bring the whiteboard into our digital world and create together in completely new ways? Introducing Microsoft Whiteboard, a new app designed to bring the collective power of the group to life.
Image search, Arctic Fox.
As an ad agency, Whiteboard allows us to share our ideas from anywhere instantly. It's become a natural extension of how we work today.
Digital sticky notes.
Draw, type, add an image or a note. Watch your ideas take shape.
Ink to shape.
And take your team's creativity to new heights.
Team members draw foxes.
Collaborating on Whiteboard is pretty seamless.
Integration available soon.
It kind of feels like there's a flow or an energy where you're just kind of playing off of somebody else. You draw something, they draw right next to it. It's like this conversation that's happening visually.
Whiteboard together in real time from wherever you are.
Collaborate from anywhere.
Pick up where someone else left off, or start from scratch. When you're done, you're done. Your ideas are safe in the cloud.
Save automatically.
Welcome to a new way to whiteboard.
Microsoft Whiteboard. Microsoft.